Hello students, today's topic is density of matter. So the objective is student will be able to describe what is density of matter. To understand what is density of matter, let's learn more about atoms and molecules through a video.
Hello, friends. I am an atom. Yes, an atom. Can you see me? Oh yes, I know you can see me on your screen, but I am just an imaginary picture of an atom. Real atoms are too tiny. You can only see them under a very special microscope. Actually, this big microscope can be called a machine. Okay, now you know that we're so tiny that we can only be seen with machines. Now I have a question for you. Do you know the meaning of your name? Very good if you know it. If you don't know, ask your parents. But I also know the meaning of my name. It means that which can't be cut, that which is uncuttable. Actually, it's a Greek word, which means it is indivisible, which means it can't be divided further or can't be cut further. Let me show you something. Let me ask this man to cut the apple in his hand in half. Now do it again. Please do it again. Keep doing it until you can't cut it any further. Yes, this is the smallest part which you can't cut any further. But it can also be cut under a microscopic machine. So, if you get a part so small which can't be divided further, it is called indivisible. It can't be cut further. It is uncuttable. It is an atom. Let me tell you a secret. Everything is made up of atoms. You, this water, this table, this blackboard, this fan, these fruits, everything. Everything is made up of atoms. Oh, you're right too. Everything is made of molecules, but all molecules are made of atoms. Confused? Go to the blackboard and write any sentence. Good. Now this is a whole sentence. Now circle all of the words in this sentence. Now let's take a word and circle all the letters of R with some other color. Very good. You see, this sentence is made up of words, but words are made up of letters. So letters are the smallest units of a sentence. Similarly, everything is made up of molecules, but molecules are made up of atoms. So atoms are the smallest unit of everything. Look at this. See, water is made up of water molecules, but water is made of atoms. There are 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen in each water molecule. So when atoms
So what we understand from the video is everything around us, that is including us, is made of atoms. These atoms are so small that you need a microscope to view them. When these atoms come together, they form molecules. Now today's keywords are matter and density. Now what is matter? It's nothing but molecules that just now we learned. And what is density? Well, it is how much matter is occupying in a given space. Now look at these 2 pictures. In which figure do you find density of matter is more and why? Yes, in figure B. Because matters are packed so close to one another. It also means weight or mass of an object depends on the density of matter. Let's learn more about density of matter with some examples. Why does oil float in glass of water? Oil floats in glass of water because the density of matter in oil is lesser than of water. The object or objects of which glass has more density of matter? Yes, the object in glass is sinks, so it has more density of matter. Which object has more density of matter? Pin or balloon? Yes, the pin has more density of matter. Which has lesser density of matter? Feather or marble? You're right. The feather has less density of matter. Which of the following is heavier and why? Pencil or pen? Pen is heavier than pencil because density of matter is more in pen. Now let's do quick recap. 1. Everything around including us is made of atoms. 2. When these atoms come together, they form molecules. 3. These molecules are called matter. 4. Density of matters depends upon how these matters are packed close to one another. 5. If the matters are packed close to one another, then the density of matter is high. 6. If they are not, then the density of matter is less. Last, the weight of an object depends upon the density of matter in that object. So students, this is today's homework. Quickly note down the questions and write the answers in your notebook. Click the picture and send it on the WhatsApp group. Thank you.